In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports. By the end, you'll know how to quickly resize your report columns so your data is easier to read, and how to save those changes so you don't have to repeat the work next time. Start by opening the report you want to edit. This could be any report where the columns feel cramped or where values are getting cut off. Once the report is on your screen, move your mouse to the header row at the top of the table. Look closely at the vertical line between two column headers, for example between date and transaction type, or between customer and amount. Hover your cursor right on that dividing line. When you're in the correct spot, the pointer will change into a double-sided arrow. That arrow is your cue that the column border is ready to be adjusted. Click and hold, then drag to the left to make the column narrower, or to the right to make it wider. Release your mouse to set the new width. If you're on a trackpad, a steady click and drag works the same way. If the arrow doesn't appear immediately, nudge your cursor slightly left or right until it does. Take a moment to scan your report after each adjustment. Widen columns that are cutting off names or descriptions, and tighten any that have a lot of empty space. Small, incremental drags help you dial in the perfect fit without pushing other columns off the screen. Your goal is a clean, readable layout where key numbers and labels are fully visible. Once your columns look the way you want, it's time to save the layout so it sticks. In the upper part of the report, click the Save drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Save As. You'll be prompted to give your customized report a name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you can find it later, like including the report type and a hint that it has adjusted columns. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Saving with Save. As creates a custom version of the report that preserves your column widths. The original standard report stays unchanged, and your new custom report will be available the next time you need it, so you won't have to redo the resizing. If you ever open the report on a different screen size and things look a bit off, you can repeat these same adjustments and save again. That's all there is to it. Open your report, drag the column borders to refine the layout, and use Save As to keep your changes for future use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more readable reports.